Alright, so there's a table and chairs that we all can eat at.
Surprise!
Surprise!
Somebody hold the door.
There's another bedroom here.
What?
There's another bedroom.
Another bedroom?
Yes.
What the? What you?
Surprise!
No one? Like before we do get into what we're here for. Just do a quick room tour. While Damion cleans. We got some Clorox wipes.
Also the mirror.
So we're gonna wipe down anything that we possibly touch or looks at us. As soon as you come in, here's the door. To your left is a little dining room area where you got a seating for four or five.
Bench over here.
Yeah, and straight ahead are 2 queen beds. Got a mirror. A nice little carpet, that's cute, by the bed. We got a phone, some dresses, some hooks, very nice, very nice. A TV on the wall. 2 beds are here. Oh, they got real remotes. They got Comcast. What? They got Comcast remotes. Don't touch. Oh. And they give you a little hand sanitizer. See, they care. They care. I'm definitely gonna take this home and bring this out. Wireless house phone. Oh, I used to have that back in the day. Okay, you come around here. Here's a little kitchen area again with the microwave, fridge, some shelving. There's like a drawer with plastic utensils. Ooh, the things you get excited about. Over here is the bathroom area. So you got 2 sinks. Look at that, 2 sinks. Ample towels, wash rags, blow dryer. Here's the bathroom. Very nice floor. Okay, very nice. Looks very clean. And then here is onto room number 2, which is a very big surprise. Wow. So we could fit everybody in this room.
Also,
Another remote. Oh, and the lights have USB ports. That's very nice. And the closet is over there. And then here is our view. We have a view of the...
Whoa, it's so big. Wait, what?
There's a lake.
By the pool.
By the pool.
So
there is the pool. We'll be in there later on today. Permitting the weather acts right. Well, thank you guys for watching our video today of today's room tour of the Summer Endless Surfside Inn Suites. If you guys enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the hotel, you can leave those below in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed already, be sure to subscribe and be a part of our family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!